Today we will learn how to find the area of a right triangle. The right triangle comes along frequently in geometry. It is used over and over for examples since it offers a ready-made right angle, a hypotenuse, and other great parts. Finding the area of a right triangle is easy and fast. Let's create a right triangle, triangle CAS, with angle A as the right angle. It measures 90 degrees and has the hypotenuse, or longest side, opposite it. That is side SC, 30 yards long. It is a right triangle because it has a right angle, not because it is facing to the right. The base of any triangle is the side used to create an altitude or height to an opposite vertex. The way our triangle CAS is sitting, you can easily see that side AS is the base for the altitude CA to angle C. Side CA is the base for the altitude AS. For a right triangle, the sides adjacent to the right angle serve double duty as bases and altitudes, making the calculations of area really easy. The altitude of any triangle is the perpendicular from a base or side to the opposite vertex. For our triangle CAS, we can rotate the figure one more time and place side SC on the horizontal. Then construct an altitude from angle A down to the base. The point where it intersects side SC can be labeled H. Now we have triangle CAS and point H. Cash. Now let's talk about the area of a right triangle formula. The area of a right triangle is the measure of its interior space in square units. For any triangle, the formula is A equals 1/2 base times height. For a right triangle, this is really easy to calculate using the two sides that are not the hypotenuse. In our triangle CAS, we can use side AS, 24 yards, as the base, making side CA 18 yards, the altitude. Let's plug in our numbers and solve for A. We get A equals 216 yards squared. If we rotate the right triangle and use side CA as the base, side AS becomes the altitude, and you get the same answer. Rotate it one more time and use side SC, 30 yards, as the base, with constructed altitude AH, which is 14.4 yards in height. If we solve for A, we get A equals 216 yards squared. All three sides, all three altitudes or heights, and all three answers are the same. Remember, the area is always in square units of the linear measurement.